Hi, this is Alex Jenkins here, founder of Leading Light Media, and in today's video, what we're going to be looking at is split testing audiences within the Facebook Ads Manager. So, when you create your Facebook ad, of course, you select your targeting, but the trouble is there's so many different targeting options, you can't just throw them all into your audience selection because you won't know which one is actually working the best and which one you can use to scale up. So the best way to kind of find the best audience, the highest converting audience for your business is to split out your audiences. And you can see here we are promoting a free book offer for a client, and what we are doing, we are in the initial testing phase. So this is how we start off any new account, any new campaign, is we want to get a feel for our audience. We want to find out who's clicking through, what's getting the highest click-through rate, what audience is converting, what audience isn't converting, because then once we find those key ingredients, we can then scale that up and scale that into a winning campaign that gets a fantastic return on investment. So as you can see here, within the ad campaign, we've got 8 different ad sets, and you can see here we've got interest targeting. So we're targeting people who have high investments, people who express interest in personal development plus business interests, people who are frequent business travelers. We've created a lookalike audience based on a customer list that we've been given from the client. So we've done a 1% and a 2% lookalike. We're using high spend targeting with affluence, high affluence business admins. We're doing marketing interests, so people who would be interested in the kind of marketing people that we have selected for this test. And then we've got a broad audience test here, and we call them that audience test number 1. That's just a broad interest, and we do have a tool which we use called Connectio that allows us to see which one of those interests are getting the highest click-through rates. So what we've done is we've created all those ad sets, and then once this starts running, we will be able to see where the conversions are taking place and what audience is converting the best. We've actually done some other tests already for this particular campaign, and what we found is the 2 images here that we're split testing against each other, these were the 2 highest performing split images that we used before, so we're going with them now. We've already got conversion data, so we can optimize for conversions. We're just starting to take this to the next level. So just a thing to remember with your audiences, you always want to create multiple ad sets with multiple different audiences to find out what works best. I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.